Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy on eBay with Afterpay, or in other words, how to use Afterpay on eBay to make shopping super easy. Guys, let's dive into the steps to pay in 4 interest-free installments. Open the Afterpay app on your phone and search for eBay. It should appear as a top result. Tap it to access the eBay store. Browse and pick the item you want, then tap Add to Cart. When ready, go to your cart and click Checkout. eBay may prompt you to sign in or continue as a guest. Choose either. Enter your delivery details, like your address, as this is required before payment options appear. Once done, head to the payment section. Select Afterpay as your payment method if it's available. Note, Afterpay is mainly supported on ebay.com.au for orders between $1 and $3,000 from a single seller. Sign into your Afterpay account, review the 4 installment plan and confirm. Your first payment is charged instantly, with the rest spread over 6 weeks. End it. Unique tip: use an eBay gift card with Afterpay by entering its code at checkout to reduce your total before splitting payments. If Afterpay doesn't show you're on ebay.com.au, as it's not widely available on ebay.com. Check your Afterpay account eligibility at afterpay.com or contact eBay support via help.ebay.com. That's how you use Afterpay on eBay. Super simple. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.